Hello, fart faces. Today I have a very special unboxing, and I say that a lot, but this is actually very special. I am unboxing a licensed diamond painting from a new company called Captured Radiance. Let's get into it. While I'm opening this up, I feel the need to tell you that I post diamond paintings almost every day. And so if you like diamond painting, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm going to point at it with my knife. Click the subscribe button and join my hive. I would love to have you. So this was sent to me. They Captured Radiance messaged me and asked if they could send me a canvas to show you guys, and I was like, yes, Canadian company and licensed. Hello, how are you? So let's take a look and put my deli machete away. Ooh, look, it comes in a box within a box. We have a invoice. We don't care about that. Wow, so hefty. It's a heavy baby. Here it comes in this box here. Very nice. It does not look squashed. A box within a box is the way to go. Really, it is. I need my deli machete again. Open that up. It's taped. That aside. Okay, let's take a look-see. I'm excited. Ooh, look at all the extras. They also said they were including some ABs. So here are some ABs that they sell on their website. So if you are looking for special drills, this is the place to go. Check that out. So we have 202, 210, 310. 310 ABs are my absolute favorite. They're so beautiful. Wow, these are so nice. These are gorgeous. Ooh, and they included some glow ones. That's so pretty. Okay, so there's some ABs. Again, these were included in my package, but you will have to order AB separately. Here is the toolkit. Let's take a look-see at the toolkit you get. Again, this was sent to me from Captured Radiance. Thank you very much. We have blue wax in a little jar. Ooh, is this a cover minder? Look how pretty that is. We get a little cover minder, I believe. Yep, it's a cover minder. There is, it looks like mermaid scales. That's so beautiful. I love that. I love that you get a little cover minder. And then we have a white tray. We have two multi-placers, so a 4-placer, 3-placer. Does it say on it? A 4-placer and a 7-placer. So we get two multi-placers, and they're the good thin ones. We get a pen and some pointy tweezers, very pointy. Make sure you keep the lid on him or else you will stab yourself. And you get a squishy. And you get a sticker. This is really cute. Oops. The sticker is really cute. And then here is their information. So Captured by Radiance, your masterpiece awaits. Captured by Radiance. There's a code if you want to get 10% off your next purchase. I will have a special discount code, which I'll flash here on the screen, that you can use. They are currently having a special. Let me see what the special is. So their grand opening special is spend $85 US or more, and you will not only receive free shipping, you will receive 20% off your purchase. And the code is bevbeecrafts, which I'll flash on the screen here. And also fulfillment time is really quick. It's 1 to 4 days. So that's awesome. I like that these come in like a nice little pouch. I think that's a nice touch. Put this stuff away. Here are the drills, and already I see ABs specially packaged in little zippy bags. Ooh, so this is a round diamond painting. So here is our painting. Isn't it adorable? It's gorgeous. There's a little dragon with a girl here. It's poured glue. Let's do a sticky test. Make sure it is sticky. Can confirm it is sticky. Oops. Oh no. Okay. And then at the top of the canvas, we have Captured by Radiance, your masterpiece awaits. On the left-hand side, we have the schematic, which we can look at right now. Okay, so we have some dark symbols on a dark background, but we'll have to see how that translates in the drill area. Ooh, okay, so we have two ABs, 310 and 5200. That's cool. Then on the left-hand side, we have the schematic again. And at the bottom, we have their Facebook and Instagram, so you can go check them out there. And your masterpiece awaits. It feels like a soft lint canvas, if that's what they're called. Yeah, it feels like a soft lint canvas. I think it's a soft lint canvas. There's my cat. We'll take a look at the drill field. Let's look at the drill field in her face. It doesn't look like the dark symbols on the dark background will be an issue. Like, they look pretty clear to me. The detail in her face. So this is one where you have to stand back and take a look at the diamond painting, because this measures 45 by 60. And here is a thumbnail of what the image should look like. That's really cool. I forget what the artist's name is, but I will put it in the description box and below. In the title, I'll put it in the title. And here's another look at the drill field. So a lot of 310. So this the whole background down here will all be 310, I believe. Yep, 310. My cat is going crazy. And now I'm going to do a tour of the canvas, and I'm going to do a voiceover telling you more about Captured by Radiance. Captured by Radiance only offers licensed artwork. As they're a new store, they're only offering a limited number of 8 images at this time, but have many more images waiting to become diamond paintings. These images were purchased with an extended license to use commercially so that the artist receives payment. They are offering a grand opening discount, as I mentioned in this video. And if there's a kit out of stock during the grand opening, all you need to do is contact them by email, letting them know which image or images you want to purchase, and your name will be put on a list and you'll get notified once they are restocked. And they will honor the discount code, when it does become in stock again. And the Captured by Radiance also values customer suggestions and feedback. So if you have any feedback on how they can improve, let them know. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact them or leave a comment down below, and I'll try my best to get an answer for you. Now let's take a look at the drills. We'll push this canvas aside. Here are drills. They have a product number on them, so if you keep your drills separately, that will be helpful. I'm not going to pull all the drills out just because I won't be able to get them back in the packaging perfectly like they have. We can take a look at the quality. I think these are acrylic drills. Correct me if I am wrong. Are they acrylic? They look like acrylic drills. These are really nice though. I don't see any issues. Yeah, I like these. And then we'll look at the ABs. Here's a look at the ABs. Ooh, look how sparkly these are. They're so beautiful. So these are the 310 ABs. And then these are the 5200 AB. If you're new to diamond painting, AB means Aurora Borealis. I see some trash there, but nothing that concerns me. And they basically just have a coating on them that makes them shine more than the others. They're really nice. It's like an iridescent coating. These are really nice. I like those. So you can get a feel for the colors in this kit by looking in here. So it is a ton of dark colors. Pretty. There's some greens in there for the dragon, lots of blacks, some grays. Yeah, I like these a lot. I think these drills, I really like the quality of the drills. I have no complaints. But again, we won't know fully until we put them down on the canvas. Now let's see on the canvas where those ABs go. The first AB is going to be the 310, and it's going to be a little circle with a line through it. Can we find where that's going to be? So there's going to be, oh, there's ABs all along here. So it looks like all along the dragon wings, like the bone thing that goes through the dragon wings, the cartilage, what is it? I don't know. It's all going to be along in here. That's 310 AB. And I think that's all for the 310. And then the white AB, the 5200 is a check mark. So it's going to be all along the dragon's thingy. What is it called? This thing, his ear. Is it just his ear? It's going to be all along the dragon's ear. Yeah, so the ABs are mostly for the dragon. I really like that, actually. This looks really pretty. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to bump this up my list of canvases to do. Thank you again to Captured Radiance for sending me this kit. I'm really excited for you guys since you are new. Again, their grand opening discount is spend $85 US or more, and you'll get free shipping, and you'll receive 20% off your purchase. Just use this code here, and just remember that if you are ordering from the States, they are based in Canada, so they're not responsible for customs or duty charges if they're applied at the border. And yeah, I really like this kit. What do you guys think? Let me know below. It's really nice to have another licensed company to buy from, and bonus for me, they're Canadian. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Just gently tap it. I upload new videos every week, and Wednesdays I upload a cross-stitch video. So if you like cross-stitch, there's another reason to join my hive. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!